Do y'all know somebody that just can't whisper? Especially when they're trying to talk about somebody that's like right there. My grandma was like that. Miss Vestabelle. But I tell you what, if you're 80-something and had to live through the Depression and live and see what all they had to see, you talk what you want to. You deserve it. That's all I'm saying. But boy, I had to take her to the doctor sometimes, and she would just, her eyes, she's like, that's where I get my nosiness from. Her eyes would start scoping the room, and you'd see her doing one of these, and you knew something was about to come out of her mouth. And it was always funny. You'd see her kind of scan and then lock in on somebody, and she'd say, well, bless her heart, I guess she don't own an iron. But that's all right. That's all right. Jesus still loves her, even if she wants to come on out in public like she just rolled out of the bed. That's all right. Yeah, that's all right if her wants to do that. You know, women just don't fix their hair anymore. Boy, I tell you what, we didn't dream of going out without fixing our hair, rolling it, putting some kind of a curl in it. Girls just don't do that nowadays. Just talking about people judging. But it was always funny. Shoot, if you're that old, you can talk what you want to.